Okay, YouTube, I reload a lot on my Forster Co-ax, and one gripe that a lot of people have about the coax is 180 degrees of motion to open the shell holder for something as small as, like, say, a 9mm cartridge. So I invented this little gizmo. Put the press down. The gizmo on the jaw opener, and this is a little thumb screw. Just tightens right on there. Now it only requires half that motion to open the shell holder. It'll do everything from 9mm to 308. I've taken my motion from 180 degrees to half of that. So less motion is a good thing. Catch you later. Bye.